What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to do a trade breakdown of this gold trade that I called. I'm not going to take too much of your time. It's going to be a little short, quick breakdown video. Right, so as you can see, this was the trade I called in the Discord on the gold sales. I also posted this trade on Instagram before I even took it. And yeah, join the Discord and follow me on Instagram, bro. Cause I post a lot of my plays on Instagram before I even take it. Like here, as you can see, I'm looking to sell below, above at this area. This was current price. Then I actually end up taking this trade here, getting a nice 1-to-7 risk reward. Also, this trade right here, looking to sell up right here, and once again, took this trade as well. Here, looking to sell here. This is the breakdown I'm actually about to do. This is how the trade played out. Cool little 1-to-2 with a runner. This was the trade I called here, and this is how it played out. This trade right over here. But link down in the description for my Instagram and Discord. Call the trades in the Discord as well. Right. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So start off. Everybody know I like to do my trade breakdowns. This is on gold. I like to start off on a daily time frame, because first I need to pick overall clear direction. Right. So looking on the daily time frame, we have a clear direction. We see clear equal highs. We see a higher low, a break of previous higher low to show sellers are in control. So right, that's just a daily time frame. So note, sellers are in control on the daily time frame. Now into the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, what do we see? Clear lower lows and lower highs, letting me know that sellers are still in control as long as we don't break this previous lower high structure. 4-hour time frame. So daily and 4-hour time we sell. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Looking on the 1-hour time frame, we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, shift into bear structure, then a pullback, a new higher high, higher low. So just let me know the 1 hour is in control, right? 1 hour is in control for bullish momentum because we just took out liquidity sitting above. Not even gonna say liquidity. Just made a new high sitting above this previous lower, this previous push up. But as you can see on the we look at the 4-hour time frame, this is not a lower high. The simple fact that we never rebroke this low. If we would have rebroke this low, this would be considered a lower high. Because price pushed jump and never took out this previous low, this is not considered a lower high in a higher time frame. So this is technically still bearish, right? So on the 1 hour time frame, this is where we at. So I know I overall want to look for sales. Matter of fact, let me backtrack to 4-hour time frame. I know I overall want to look for sales. Daily 4-hour telling me sell. Now I'm gonna think about where do I want to sell at. Now I see we have a low down here. I don't want to sell within inside this range because there's no clear direction, and I need a previous structure level to get retested first. So first, last week, I took these sells here for this break and retest at this previous low, but now this rally up started to look like it was coming to test in this low right over here, this previous low, which is also the 4-hour previous low, right? So first we did a retest of this area to sell off. Now we're looking to come tap into this area to sell off. This was a trade idea. Down to the 1 hour time frame, not the 1 hour time frame, the 15-minute time frame, and see what's going on. So price is trading within inside this overall range. We have a break and retest of this overall range going bullish on the 15-minute. As you can see, we have a lower lows and lower highs on the 15-minute. This push up gave me a structural shift for the 15-minute to go bullish, and for price to actually come up, make a new high, tap into this level. Right, so all I did was wait for price to come into that area to see the overall structure price is forming on the 5-minute time frame. Now that we tapped into this area right over here, turn into the 5-minute time frame. Overall, I want to be looking for sales, as I said before. Daily and 4-hour time we sell is counter trend to the 1 hour time frame, but the higher probability setup will be to the sell side. So looking on the 5-minute time frame, what do we see here? Lower lows and lower highs, letting me know that sellers are in control. So we're gonna make this red. We're gonna do a horizontal right here, make this white. I'm gonna add a text, bullish shift. This is where we had a bullish shift and structure. Gotta make the text white here as well. All right, looking at that bullish shift and structure, I want to see the bullish structure now. We have higher highs and higher lows forming here. Blue, what time of the day is it? As you can see, this is 3:15, so we're just coming into London Open. All right, now like I said, I want to be looking for sales overall. So in order for me to take a sell after tapping into the 4-hour previous low, I just need the 5 minutes to shift the bear structure as well. So now you see we have these clear higher highs and higher lows. All I simply waited for was this same shift the structure to happen over here. Instead of being a bullish shift the structure, it is a bearish shift. Let's put this on the bottom. And so this was the trade idea right over here. As you can see, price came, executed me in for my sell stop. Just trying to trade below this low here. At this point, we tap into this previous 15-minute higher high, higher low, higher high. Price broke below, closed below. At this point, because we're closing below the range, we have clean candles to the left hand side to fill them to the rest of the range. Stops definitely at break even and hold the rest of the trade. And we have another break and retest here for potential scaling that I could have got, but I didn't. And that was the trade right over here. Very, very, very simple. Like, you don't need to overcomplicate trading. You don't need supply and demand. You don't need smart money concepts. You don't need fair value. You don't need all that stuff. Just, I like to stick to the simple basics. When I first learned trading, I learned the shift of a previous higher low is when a trend goes bearish, and a shift of previous lower high is when a trend goes bullish. And I just use that same idea on every time frame to get a top-down multiple time frame confluence, and just look to execute off of major key levels or the previous higher lows or lower highs on the higher time frames, jump down to the lower time frames for entry. And it's literally very simple. But thanks for watching to the end of this video, man. It's your boy Traderholic, and I'm out, chat. Peace.